Hey, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Saturday, the 23rd of November, 2024, and my voice just about broke. It's my weekly analysis video where we have a look at the Forex pairs. I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. All right, hope everyone's weekend's going okay. I am in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia, at my brother's house. It's actually stopped raining for the first time in a week, which is great. All right, let's get into it. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. It's always appreciated. As I always say, they're not the most exciting videos, but we're just getting the message across and we're getting them, having a look at the charts. So let's have a look at the charts. All right, I'll give you a bit of a heads up. Things are going to change as of next week, or probably maybe next week or soon thereafter. I'm going to, here comes the dog. I'm going to change my watch list a bit, and we're going to look at more different ways of trading. The way we're just doing it at the moment is just the traditional method, taking the trade signal, placing a stop, and managing the trade. I'm going to combine it all with the hedging and everything like that. So we're just going to try and make have better results. At the end of the day, we're here to trade and make money. That's what we're trying to do. We're not trying to conform or with the norm. So we're going to look at a few different methods, and I'll still give you the option of placing stops, etc. But we just want to mix it up a bit, make some money. It's getting pretty boring at the moment on this watch list I've got here, and there's really not much happening. So I'm just trying to give you a bit of a heads up what's coming. All right, let's have a look at the pairs. We've only got like 4 open trades at the moment, I think. So she is pretty boring. That's my watch list on the right. It's in alphabetical order. As I said, this is going to change. Different highlights, different colors means different things. In this case, light blue means there's trade on and actions being taken, or actions like trade management. No highlight means no trade on. Orange means I want to talk about it in this video today. If it was dark blue, means there's a trade on, no action taken. And no highlight is no trade, which is the majority. Let's go through it. So any notes I have, normally on the right of the price, refer to the most recent trade. So as you all know, I call the trades live or close to it. In Queensland, the new market daily candle open for me is 8 a.m. in Brisbane time. I'm getting out of bed at various different times. Right, we'll go back. If I was in Cambodia and Asia, the new candle's at 5 a.m. I normally get up at 6:30 a.m. And any trades I call, not much happens in that first couple of hours anyway. So I take a screenshot, call the trade in the Telegram channel, Facebook groups, etc. Take a screenshot, share that, so everyone knows. Any trade management's also called. So everyone's more than welcome to join any of those groups. So that's Facebook, it's a private group, JAGfx, and Telegram channels. We've got the 3 Telegram channels. One's where only I can post, so it's pretty clean, easy to follow. There's another one on traditional trading, the discussion group, where anyone can ask questions, etc. Then I have the dedicated hedging. So we'll have a look at that. Anyone's more than welcome to join them. So the Aussie Swiss took a buy, 6th of November, back here. It's just gone nowhere. Hit this sort of resistance level and price, dropped down. 12th of November, I closed half. So let's put me in here. I closed, opened this candle, closed half, dragged the stop up. Now it's come down back towards the entry and it's heading up again. MACD Platinum's already on the other side of the 0 level. So we're on the right side, but it's just not going too far. Ideally, I'd give it a couple of days. This might pop up so I can drag my stop up below this level here. So that's the Aussie Swiss in a buy. All right, we'll just go through these pairs. If I just went through the pairs, I'm open with open trades. There'd be nothing to talk about. Aussie USD. Remember, we took a buy in here, took a second buy because I messed up on the trend line break. And then we've got this opposite QMP. So what we're looking for is another buy signal coming up. MACD Platinum's below the 0 level, hence the grey vertical line. That's a warning signal for me. This green level is a big round number. It's 65 cents, so it's a big round number. And as you can see, like price does have some action around it. It's struggling at the moment around that level there. Bitcoin, might as well have a look at it. I'm actually long in my hedge trading on Bitcoin if you're following that. was long down here somewhere, here and here, so it's all good. That blue line is 100,000. So we're at, what's the high? High, $99,817. So we're getting to that magic number. What's going to happen at 100,000? Who knows? Who knows? I'm sure there's orders to sell around that level. It's a big round number. But since the election, because where's the election? The 6th. So that's the election date there, that candle there, that big bullish candle. And it's ripped since then. So it's gone from basically the election day, the 6th. So it's gone from around 72,000 up to 100,000 since the election. Unbelievable. All right, Euro Swiss highlighted in orange. Yeah, a bit of a bummer. I stopped out on my buy trade for a full loss. So I initially took this buy trade here. And if you'd read the notes on this buy trade, it was a high risk trade. The MACD was already through the 0 level. Price was already at the moving averages. So I took the buy. It didn't really go anywhere. Then we got this sell signal, which is a much better signal. And in hindsight, I probably should have got out the buy. I should have just exited that buy on that sell because, you know, we're with the trend. The trend's down, the 3 moving averages. MACD above the 0 level. Took the sell. And it just ground down slowly, popped through the stop there. So as I said, I just leave these on the video to show you guys and girls what's happened. After the video's finished, I go in and clean these up. But what I'll probably do, any of these open trades, because I've only got 3, 4 open trades, I'll transfer them over to my other watch list, and we'll probably start afresh next week with these trades. Still in play, obviously, but we're just going to crank it up a bit. So we stopped out here. So stopped out for a full loss. Then on the same date or the next day, I stopped out on the 20. So the open of this candle, I closed half the sell and dragged my stop down so I can't lose on the sell trade. So I'm offset some of that loss, so it's not the end of the world. Offset some of that loss from the buy, but this popped down nicely, but now it's bounced right back up again, which is a bit of a bummer. So the open of this candle, which is down here, that's where I closed half, just on the open, and dragged my stop down there, so it's all good. Euro USD, it's just falling off a cliff. Again, I keep on adjusting these trend lines every day. MACD Platinum's below the 0 level. It's been a big down move, bit of a pullback down again. So we're going to be looking for a buy in here somewhere, and it's going to be against the trend. You just look at market structure, lower lows, lower highs. So you'd assume that it's going to bounce around here somewhere, go up, maybe not take out this, then drop down again. But who knows? We are talking about currencies here. So we talk about the euro and the US dollar, 2 of the biggest currencies on the planet, controlled by 2 of the biggest central banks, etc. So just wait and see. Pound CAD, nothing happening. It's just fallen off a cliff, heading down. Pound yen is a bit messed up. I'm in a few trades, as you know, in my hedging that's caused me a bit of grief. I took the sell here, buy, sell, and it sort of wants to go down, but it's not. And look at the MACD, you know, when you look at it previously, it's all these nice clean moves. Now we've got this absolutely crap in here. So it's a bit undecided. This is the 200 level, big round number. And you can see prices struggled at it, sort of bounced back down. Now we've got this sort of support level here. Hopefully I head down. Pound USD, I'm in a sell from back here, which is good, the 2nd of October. I just got the stop down to this level now, so we're locking in plenty of profit there. We've got these big round numbers. What's that? The 1300 level, 135, 125. And you can see prices at it now. MACD Platinum's below the 0 level, so remember below the 0 level we're looking to buy. It'll be similar to the Euro USD. They tend to move a lot together at the same sort of. Took a buy in here, stopped out for a full loss, so we want to try and get another buy in here somewhere and hopefully bring this sell stop down. New Zealand CAD, not much happening. Just again, trend lines being drawn, no trades on at the moment. MACD Platinum below the 0 level, looking to buy hopefully. XAGUSD, silver. All right, damn, you know what I forgot to do? Mark up my chart, but I'll take it across to the other chart. The other watch list, this is a buy on Monday. It's a buy for both my Just look at my notes. It's a buy for both the my hedge trading and the high probability trading. So we have a new buy on Monday. The blue line I've already drawn in. The green dot, if you're looking at MT4, MT5, this green QMP filter dot will not be there. It won't show up on those platforms until the market actually opens on Monday. It's just something about TradingView that does this on the Friday close, so I know exactly what's coming Monday. And there's going to be a buy on silver on Monday. MACD platinum's below the zero level. We've got this sort of support level here. It's a long way below zero. You could make an argument there's been divergence. Well, there was hidden bullish divergence there initially. And you could make an, yeah, it's not really, technically it's probably not. It's more of just a support level there, but definitely the price has come down a lot further than, the MACD's come down a lot further than price. So there is some sort of divergence there, but it's not technically divergence. But we've already had it previously. MACD platinum below the zero level, gone above it and back down, and we're in buy area. We're bouncing off this $30 level, which is another confluence, or what do you call it, like another reason to take the trade. And we can't lose on this sell trade, which was taken on the 29th of October. We've got a stop in place. I can't really drag that stop down any closer. The option would be maybe to close out of the sell. If your broker doesn't allow it, close out of the sell, take the buy. This buy is looking pretty good. I like it. I think there's some discussion about a buy on gold, and gold and silver tend to move pretty much the same. The other day, I think there's a gold buy signal in this sort of area a couple of days ago, which I would have taken if I was trading gold, but I'm not. I'm trading its poor cousin, silver. So yeah, that's definitely a buy on Monday. So I haven't written up the notes, but I just told you exactly what my thoughts are there. Right, let's have a look at the US dollar. It's just heading up since the election. Where's the election? In here. It's the election date, the 6th. Sorry, the election was the 5th, wasn't it? The 5th, Tuesday. But yeah, so we go through, the results don't come through sort of till after the polls close, etc. So that's from election day, that big bullish candle, it's just gone up nicely. So obviously the markets are happy with the result and what's happening. So that's US dollar. Then we got the US stock market, and it's on another, the last signal was this sell here, but as I say all the time, this has got a bullish bias. Just better off taking the buy trades. Now this one's going to, you can see where generally when price comes back to the moving averages, it's normally a better option. This one here is a good example. It's sort of, price didn't come back to the 50 moving average, which is the closest one. There's a buy signal here. It's above the MACD platinum is above the zero, so it's not a strong buy, and it's proved to be the case because then there's a sell signal with the MACD above the zero level, which brought it back to the moving average. Then you get this new buy signal, and the MACD's below, so that's a better, stronger signal, which in turn, in hindsight, would have given a better result. Now we've got the sell here. Now whether you take sells, that, as I said, it's up to you. There seems to be permanent, regular bearish divergence on the stock market. You look at the moving averages, the three moving averages, the 50, the 100, and the 240, they're slowly heading up and have been for a fair while. You know, look at it. It's been bullish. It's a stock market. It's not only until you come back a bit that even there it's a bit tight. Still heading up. Take the buys. Take the buys. This is a great place to do dollar cost averaging or something like that, especially if you're trading like individual stocks or something like that. Just buy the dips, which is basically just this. So I think I did a video before. If you just took the buy, say this wasn't the US 500, say it was Google or something like just an individual stock. You know, buy 100 shares here. It goes against you. Stay in. Buy another 300 shares here. Go up. Manage these trades as one. Put a stop loss in. Get a reversal. Get out. Take your profit. Buy another 100 shares here. Goes up. We get a reversal. Tighten it up or put a stop in. That one's not so clean. This one here. Buy another 100 here. And just trade it like that. You won't go wrong. Sure, you get pullbacks in that, but you're either stopped out with profit and just wait for the next bullish market. All right, that's been about 15 minutes. This is probably a world record quickest video for me. As I said, people, I'm going to change things up a bit. We're going to add way more pairs. We're going to look at different ways. I'll have a bit of a think about it during the week. I don't want to confuse anyone. Every trade is still taken on the same setup. It's just the way we're going to manage them is going to be different, all right? So don't get stressed. If you want to take the trade, place a stop, knock yourself out. I'm going to be hedging, dollar cost averaging, loss recovery, but I'll also nominate a stop, place for a stop. So I want to crank this trading up. I want to get some results. We're here to make money. We're not here to make a perfect, what do we call it? To conform with all the rules. I know some people are more comfortable doing that. I get that. But at the end of the day, you take up trading to make money, which then changes your life for whatever way. You know, it might be towards a kid's education, might do charity, might be buy your Lambo. You know, who cares? But that's what we're here to do, make money. Right, thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. We got Formula One out of Vegas this weekend, so looking forward to that. And probably more alcohol somewhere. Too much. All right, boys and girls, thanks for watching. As I said, if you like the video, please hit the like, hit the subscribe button. It's always appreciated. Cheers.